Transform the view from your deck with easy-to-install RailFX's FlexFX hardware for wood, metal, or sleeved posts. For cable runs over 5 feet, intermediary posts are needed for strength and support. These install easily and match the overall layout so cables pass through in perfect alignment. On the post topping the stairs, holes are drilled so cables pass through completely, with post protector tubes installed to prevent wear at the bend. For hardware, tensioning push lock fittings are installed along the upper post, with hinged, non-tensioning fittings along the newel. Cables are thread through the intermediary post first, then through the wood post and into the newel where it's locked in place. Then the cables pulled taut, marked along the tensioning fitting for cutting, and inserted into the fitting. Ideal for interior and exterior projects, the FlexFX program's stainless steel cable and fittings are perfect for unobstructed views on your deck, balcony, or stairway.